The system of human rights in the small nation of Laos is coming under increased scrutiny, and with harrowing consequences. On the 29th of April, Anousa, Jack Luangsaphan, a 25-year-old political activist, was brutally gunned down in a café in the capital city of Vientiane. CCTV footage shows a man entering the café twice, before taking aim at the political pundit and shooting him in the face and chest. Tragically, Jack did not survive the attack and passed away on his way to the hospital. The attack has been widely condemned, with Human Rights Watch and Amnesty International calling for an urgent, independent investigation. It's hoped that some justice can be served if a full investigation is conducted in due course. But why was Jack targeted in the first place? He was the administrator of the Cub Cloan Dui Keyboard, KKD, Facebook page, a page with 43,000 followers, which featured posts about social, environmental, economic and political issues in Laos. The profile picture looks to be a photograph taken in neighboring Thailand, which featured a sign calling for reform of the so-called lèse majesté law. Before his death, Jack also ran a Facebook page called Sur Tor Lor, the Republic. Unsurprisingly, these have now been shut down. Jack's death is seen as part of a wider struggle for human rights in Laos. Independent civil society and media exist there in a very restricted manner, with limited access to dissenting opinions. UN experts and human rights groups have been calling for greater protection for some time, but without success. The high-profile 2012 disappearance of Sombath Songphone, a development worker in Vientiane, is a case in point. There has been no accountability for his disappearance. In 2019, Odi Sayavong, a Lao pro-democracy activist, went missing while living in Bangkok, an act which, again, appears to be linked to activists and campaigners going against the majority opinion of the Lao government. The Lao government has denied any involvement in the disappearances, but with Jack Luangsaphan's senseless death, it looks like human rights campaigners will have to keep fighting if conditions are to improve in the one-party state in Southeast Asia.